As the Indian government gears up to tackle vaccine shortage, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is set to visit the US next week. The Ministry of External Affairs released a statement confirming his visit. Here's what will likely be on the foreign minister's agenda. The 4-day visit, which is to start on May 24, will likely see the External Affairs Minister making vaccine his top priority. The US had last week announced that it will export 80 million doses of vaccines to other nations. India is currently facing a shortage, and S. Jaishankar is likely to take up the matter of vaccine procurement with US leadership and other stakeholders. S. Jaishankar is also likely to talk to vaccine developers for a tie-up to produce vaccines in India, as he will hold 2 interactions with business forums on economic and COVID-related cooperation between India and US. During his visit, the foreign minister will first meet UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres in the backdrop of India joining the United Nations Security Council as a non-permanent member this year. He will then hold meetings with his counterpart, Secretary of State Antony Blinken. This visit comes as India is overburdened with COVID caseload and deaths. The United States has played a key role in assisting India's battle against the virus. In the past, the country has helped India with oxygen plants, concentrators, critical medicines, and raw material for the vaccines.